Hey traders, welcome to the daily recap for February 23rd, I believe. Yes, February 23rd, 2023. Let's see what we did today. It was a very solid day trading. Obviously, if you guys are looking at the market today, you saw that it went up, then it had a full reversal off the lows, and that was fantastic for us because we did do some great SPX trades on that intraday today. So let's take a look at those ideas and what we actually did. So today, big one was, W. Let's actually start with that. We'll start with the option side, actually. W puts, 40 puts right out the gate. Those ended up going 1,186%. Ended up rolling that idea as well to 37 puts for 349%. Baba, 96 puts right out the gate as well for 789%, which was a solid one as well. The 96 puts idea. There you go. There you can see it. SPX. End of the day, we did trade it off the lows. Biggest trade was the 4,000 calls from 275 into like the 2180 area, whatever it was. It was a 687% trade idea. The SPX 3985 calls for 303%. That was also a 20-point move on those options. SPX 3970 puts this morning. That idea 150%. 4,000 puts this morning, 126%. And we had a bunch of other rolls at the end of the day there for like 51%, 30%. I can just tell you right now, we had one which was the 40-20s for 57%. We had the 40-15s, which ended up going 38%. I think that's it pretty much at the end of the day there. But, you know, solid overall. Pretty happy with the ideas. 3980 puts, 51%. You know, there's a whole bunch of other SPX trades there that are not mentioned, but very high hit rate on the SPX. Today, I believe there was only one that didn't work, which is fantastic. On the option side, again, very high hit rate. We had the TSM calls this morning, which worked out nicely. That was ended up being a 71% trade. Meta, we tried the 175 calls that ended up failing. Like we talked about those rolls on W. We talked about Baba. The UAL, 50 puts, which ended up going about 200% from 14 cents. That was a good one. ALGN, 310 calls ended up not working. The Tesla calls ended up working for around 27%. And I believe that's it on the option side today. Yeah, so nice hit rate. Oh, AMD puts 45%. That's it. So probably pretty solid on the option side. We had some big movers percentage-wise. And then equity was pretty good as well. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I called OCEA yesterday. And I also had it in the side charts to watch for today. From 580 all the way towards, $26. Ended up being a 17-point trade for us intraday on the trade ideas for the equity side. And then we had a couple other things that worked out nicely. SMCI for 1.5 points, LNG for 2.5 points, ATLX for 3 points total. We did two trades on that two trade ideas on that name today. Etsy long. This was I'm pretty proud of these two as well. Etsy long right out the gate off the morning dip, which ended up being a 7-point trade, and then TMDX was a similar idea right off the dip this morning, and that one ended up being an 8-point trade to the upside. So all in all, on the equity side, really good stuff, high hit rate there. NVIDIA 2 points long. Only one that didn't work is we tried a bottom fish lunar at the end of the day. That ended up not working. Then we had UPST for like 50 cents. I don't really count that. Who cares? On like a day like today. And that's pretty much it. So, a lot of Friday tomorrow, guys. We'll see what happens. Market did come into the uptrend on the daily. It bounced off of it, reclaimed the 50 EMA. We'll see if we can get back above the short-term EMA support now for continuation higher. If you guys want to come pop into chat, trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. I do have a $10 promo for the next week, or $10 for the weekly trial, which is the lowest. Or the cheapest we've ever made it for a promo, and it runs for the next, I think, 9 hours or 8 hours or something like that to the end of the day. So, go ahead and take advantage of that. It's on my Twitter, posted on my profile at Spartan Trading if you guys want to come check it out. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.